Hello friends, welcome to Win Graviton. Today we are going to talk about force and pressure in this the part 5 video of this lesson. And today in this video we will talk about balanced and unbalanced forces. Okay, so let's consider an example before going to this 2 points. So let's say there's a box on this surface which is like in white color, and let's say that you are pushing this box with 10 Newton force towards right, and your brother is pushing the same box with a force of the 10 Newtons, but it's towards a different direction, it's towards the left. Okay, so you are applying this 10 Newton force towards right, and he is applying force of 10 Newtons to the left. Then so the net force would be what? The difference between these forces. We have to subtract these forces because they are acting upon different directions. Okay, so it is going to be 10 Newtons minus 10 Newtons, and they will give us 0 Newtons. Okay, they will give us 0 Newtons. Okay, this is a really important thing. Okay, so this is an example of balanced forces. Okay, these two forces are balanced forces. So in this example, this 10 Newtons which is towards the left and this 10 Newtons towards the right balanced each other out. They cancelled each other out, as you can see that. Okay, it gave a result of 0 Newtons. So that means they cancelled each other out fully. So this is a balanced force. This is an example of balanced force. When the forces are equal and opposite, they cancel each other out fully to give a net force of 0. Such forces are called balanced forces. Okay, in balanced forces, actually they do not make the object to move. So in this case, the object will not move because the forces cancel each other out to give a net force of 0 Newtons. So there is no force. Okay, there is no net force to act on this body to create motion in this body, to make the body to move, because these two forces cancelled out each other. So they give 0 Newton force, net force. Okay, so this object does not move because of that reason. Okay, so when the forces are equal, okay, look at here, 10 Newtons, 10 Newtons, and then when the forces are also opposite, this 10 Newtons is towards the right, and your brother's 10 Newton force is towards left, and that is, it's correct. So they are opposite and they are also equal. So if they are equal and opposite, they cancel each other out to give, they cancel each other out to give 0 Newtons, a net force of 0. Okay, such forces are called balanced force. So this is the concept of balanced force. Okay, balanced force do not move an object. Okay, so that is because the net force created will be 0. Okay, there will be no net force to act on that body to create motion. Okay, now let's consider the next point. When the forces are unequal and opposite, they subtract each other to give some net force, which makes the object to move. Okay, such forces are called unbalanced forces. Okay, so here in this case, as the forces were equal, they cancelled out fully to give 0 Newtons. Okay, so it doesn't make the body to move. But in this case, in the second point, it's really different. There is some net force because one of the forces is greater than the other, force. Unequal means they are not same in quantity, isn't it? One will be bigger than the another. Okay, so that means when we subtract these two forces, we will get some net force. Okay, so that means if there is a force, if there is a net force, then it will create motion, isn't it? I said it in the first example itself. But here, as there were no net force, 0 net force, that is why it didn't move. But if there was some amount of net force, the body will move at a particular direction. Okay, so let's consider an example for understanding that concept well. So you are pushing at 20 Newtons towards right, and your brother is just pushing at the same force as the previous example. It is 10 Newtons. Okay, you are pushing at 20 newtons to the right, he's pushing at 10 newtons to the left. Okay, so as I said, one is bigger than the other. So in this case 20 newtons, your force is greater than your brother's force. Okay, so what is the net force? The net force is going to be your force minus the brother's force. Okay, so 20 minus 10 newtons, and it will give 10 newtons to the right. Okay, so your force is bigger. Your force is acting in which direction? Right direction, towards the right. So that direction only will come here. Okay, so it's nothing but there is a box, and after the net force is 10 newtons to the right. Okay, I have subtracted the forces to get this. Okay, so the 10 Newton force is acting towards the right direction. That means there is a 10 Newton net force. So if there is a net force, then the object will move. Okay, so in this case, as the force is towards right, this object will also move towards right. So this is an unbalanced forces. Unbalanced means they do not balance each other fully. Okay, in this case, they just simply cancel each other out fully so that it's zero. But here, it's not balanced, it's unbalanced. One is so much big and one is so small. Okay, it's something like that. So this is unbalanced forces. And in unbalanced forces, the forces are unequal and opposite, and they subtract each other to get some net force. Okay, that is because one force is bigger, which makes an object to move because there is some net force acting on that object, so it will move at some directions, and this is called unbalanced forces. Such forces are called unbalanced forces, and these forces are called balanced forces. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel Ben Gravita, and stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe. Okay.